Right click on the start menu, open task manager, select performance. Here select GPU. Under GPU, scroll down. Here we can see my laptop computer current GPU temperature showing. And if I go to CPU, if I scroll down, then we can't see CPU temperature. Well, so we can see GPU temperature, but we can't see CPU temperature. To CPU temperature, we need to install a third-party app. So go to your favorite browser, just come to this website hwinfo.com. Once you are in this website, click on free download, close the ad, and select your download option. So I'm selecting installer for Windows, clicking on free download and selecting local. And we can see the app is now downloading. Once successfully downloaded, it's time to install the app. So launch the installer, select the language, click on next, check I accept the agreement, next, and click on install. Once it's successfully installed, go ahead and launch the HWinfo on your computer, and here click on start. And it may take some moments to analyze your PC in here. Once done, you get this home page. In here, you can just close this update window, then go to sensors tab. In here, you have to find out CPU section. So we can see the CPU section is here, and here we can see my computer or laptop CPU temperature 41.8 degrees Celsius. So that's how you can actually check.